to a video. It's actually my first time doing one, so let's get doing it. So I've got a bunch of slime to do. So let's just get out one. First, I'm going to be doing my putty. I love this putty so much. It's kind of rippy though. It's farts. That's the best thing I love about it. So let's just set stuff to the side. So here it is. It's sparkly, as you can see. It's really nice and it's super clear. And it's peach color because I mixed up all the colors. So yeah, that's it for the putty. And I'll show you that at first. It's not good. There. So now I'll just set it off to the side. Okay. Now let's go on to the next one. So let's go on to my mint slime. The reason why I named it mint slime is because I made it green and I scented it to be green and I scented it to be mint actually. And yeah, here it is. It's super sparkly. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I got some like beads in it and stuff to make it, and the beads and stuff represents the mints. So yeah. Next up is my orange sickle slime. And the reason why I named it orange sickle is because it kind of looks like orange sickle, but right at the bat, it kind of looks like Rice Krispie cakes. So yeah, but the reason why I named it is because the color of it, like orange, white, the whole same deal. Yeah, but it's foam slime, as you can see that. It's really crunchy. So yeah, here, that's my foam slime. Let's put that back in there. Now, next up, we're gonna do my galaxy slime. And it's really sparkly, but there it is. It's so nice to play with. It's just amazing. And as you can see, I did a dark purple with blue sparkles. There we go. That's better. So that's my galaxy slime. And it's really pokey too. There. So now let's move on to the next one, which is called bubblegum slime. And the reason why I named it bubblegum slime is because I made butter slime. That's what its name was, and it's like pale pink because I put in Model Magic in it, and it looks exactly like bubble gum. So yeah, and as you can see, if I do that, it looks like a person blowing a bubble right off the bat. It's super duper crunchy. So that's the end of this video. So bye. I hope you guys have an awesome day, and make sure you watch my other video that I'm gonna make. Bye.